In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Form 849 Turbotax. If you need to report investment sales and you're trying to make sure they appear correctly in your tax return, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through exactly how to get to the right section in TurboTax so you can add the information connected to Form 8949 in a smooth and organized way. Start by going to the top navigation area in TurboTax and clicking on Federal. This is where you'll manage the federal portion of your return, including income, deductions, and tax forms related to investment activity. Since Form 8949 is used to report sales and dispositions of capital assets, it makes sense that you'll begin here. Once you're in the federal section, move your cursor over income. You may see several categories appear in a menu, and this is the section that helps you access all of the different income types TurboTax can handle. Hovering over income will reveal the path you need for investment-related entries. From there, click on Investments and Savings. This is the area where TurboTax groups together things like brokerage statements, stock sales, and other financial activity tied to gains and losses. If you're adding information that belongs on Form 8949, this is the section you'll want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct category, especially if you have multiple types of income listed in your return. Next, when TurboTax asks whether you had investment-related activity, click Yes. This tells the program that you do need to enter or review investment sales information. Without selecting Yes, TurboTax may skip over the section that connects to Form 8949, so this step is important. After that, find your account from the list shown on screen. This could be the brokerage or financial account associated with the transactions you need to report. If you have more than one account, be careful to choose the correct one so the tax information is entered under the right source. This can help prevent confusion later when reviewing your capital gains and losses. As a general tip, it's a good idea to have your investment tax documents ready before you begin, so you can confirm you're working from the right account and the right transaction details. Once you've selected the account, you'll be in the proper place to continue working with the investment information tied to Form 8949 in TurboTax. And that's how to get started adding Form 8949 in TurboTax.